Yet. But as you're scrolling through social media, you catch a glimpse of this 27-inch curved monitor in action, and suddenly, your entire morning routine is transformed. That's where the Sceptre Curved 27-inch Prime comes in, a game-changing display that not only makes your workday more efficient but also takes your gaming experience to the next level. With its 1500R curved display, you're immersed completely into the gaming landscape, able to spot all threats and opportunities before your competitors. But what really sets this monitor apart is its impressive color gamut. The 99% sRGB offers a wider range of colors than most conventional monitors, giving you deeper colors and more defining features. It's like having an entire spectrum of hues at your fingertips, perfect for graphic designers, artists, or anyone who needs to make precise color choices. And then there are the ports, 2 HDMI and 1 VGA port each that accelerate refresh rates up to 100 Hz, providing the visual edge you need to defeat the competition during all your gaming exploits. No more lagging behind, with this monitor, you're always in the lead. But what about when you want to connect your devices? The Sceptre Curved 27-inch Prime has got you covered. With its built-in speakers delivering robust and smooth audio while saving space on your desk, you can enjoy high-quality sound without cluttering up your workspace. And let's not forget about the design, a slender 1800R screen curvature that yields wide-ranging images seemingly surrounding you. The metal pattern brush finish is both protective and pleasing to the touch, making this monitor a joy to use for hours on end. But here's the part that actually surprised me, how seamlessly it integrates into your existing setup. I mean, I was expecting a bit of a learning curve, but with this monitor, you'll be up and running in no time. Whether you're working or gaming, the Sceptre Curved 27-inch Prime is designed to make life easier. So what's holding you back? Are you tired of settling for less? Do you want to experience the thrill of superior image quality without breaking the bank? Well, I've got some good news for you, this monitor is a steal. With its impressive features and affordable price point, it's an absolute no-brainer. So, what are you waiting for? Click that link below to get your hands on the Sceptre Curved 27-inch Prime today and transform your daily routine forever.